Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 the most useful shortcuts by ChatGPT. The first one is Ctrl-Shift-P. These shortcuts you can open the command palette and you can see all the functions that Vscode has. The next one is Ctrl-P. You can quickly switch between files. Ctrl-P is useful, for example, in your folder you have few files and you don't have open the file, so you can use Ctrl-P and quickly open the file that you need, like this one. Then you have Ctrl-B, show or hide the left panel, and then you can cut the line just with Ctrl-X. You don't need to select all the line. You can be in any place of the line and you just press Ctrl-X and you cut the line. You also can use Ctrl-C the same way. To copy the entire line, Ctrl-C. Like this. You don't need to select all the line manually. You can be in any place. Very useful. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and hopefully this video was useful for someone.